So the benefit of using Vox's in-house design team is that we've been working in this industry for several years. A lot of the times we just know what badges, emblems, some selling points to put on there, as well as what to enhance and what to really sell to your audience and understand your audience. How many labels have we designed? Gosh, with me being here 8.5 years, I want to say maybe it's close to the thousands. My assistant is probably going to the 500s, I'm sure. But we go through tons of labels every day. I think to have us design your label will really help you understand the foundation of your label, where to start, where to end.